Okay, welcome back. Sorry, there was the network error or rather problem. So this is the continuation on approximation, and for that example we had, here is how you get the lower limit. We're going to say lower limit. We had 70 kg. We always say, since it was to the nearest 10, we'll say minus 5 kg, and then we got 65. Upper limit 70, we add a 5, then we get a 75 kg there. Okay, so we are going to have question 2, or rather example 2. Example 2. Okay, we have this question. The weight of potatoes. The weight of potatoes 25 kg. Okay, the weight of a bag of potatoes is, here it's supposed to be is 25 kg. Okay, correct to the nearest kg. Correct to the nearest kg. Full stop. Okay, write down A. So we'll say write down A, the upper limit, or rather bound. B, write down the lower limit or bound. The solutions now. Okay, so A. So take note, in an exam they may not always use upper limit, they may not always use lower limit, but they can say, instead of saying upper limit, they'll say the largest, the biggest limit, or rather number. Or instead of saying lower limit, they'll say the least, or they say the smallest. Okay? So, or rather the lower limit, or rather we can say the smaller limit. So they can use different words in an exam. It's not always upper or lower, but all you have to know is how do you go about this. Okay, so for the first one, to find the upper limit, always the rule is that add a 0.5 to the given number. So in that number, correct to a kg, or rather to the nearest kg. So we'll say 25 kg plus 0.5. Okay, hence the answer here is 25.5. This is in kgs. This is our upper limit. Our upper limit. This is our upper limit. Now for our lower limit, okay, for our lower, this one should be B. Okay, B, our lower limit, lower is equal to 25. You subtract 0.5. For the upper, you add. For the lower, you subtract 0.5. What are we going to have? That's 25 minus 0.5. We're going to have 24.5. It's in kgs. Okay, so that is how you go about the lower and the upper limits. I'll give you one last question. Okay, so question 3. Question 3, it goes like, the length of a line is 63 centimeters. The length of a line is 63 centimeters, comma, so say correct to the nearest centimeter. Okay, so write down, so say write down A, okay, the least length, B, the greatest length. Okay, so all the solutions, A, to find the least length there. So say least length. To find the least length, we say equals the centimeters have been given, it's 63. So to be 63 minus 0.5. Okay? This one will give us 62.5 centimeters. This one is the same as the lower limit, the least length. We are finding the lower limit. Like I said, they can bring it in so many different ways. Then B, to find the greatest length, we're going to say 63 plus 0.5 equals 63.5 centimeters. As simple as it is. As simple as it is. So this marks the end of my continuous video from my previous video due to network problem. So that other video had to cut. Okay, so this will mark the end of the today's topic on approximation. Catch up with me tomorrow, or rather in another next video I'll upload on how to calculate the relative error, the absolute error, as well as the percentage error. So if you check me up in the next video, you'll find the solutions, or rather the small video that I'll upload on the calculation of errors. It will just be the continuous, or rather the continuation of this very topic, approximation. Thank you.